Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be going over what's inside my pack that I bring on rescues when I work as a trail steward for the park service. This is the Maxpedition Versipack, and attached to it is the Warrior Assault System wrist pouch, which houses the navigation components, i.e. the compass and the maps inside. Over here we have the Yaesu FT1DR. We attached a external water bottle holder, 750 milliliter water bottle. We have a small compass. We have two pens on either side for writing notes. We have one pill light from Olight, the 1R2 EOS, rechargeable light. And then we have the back here, which I modified. We have the waist strap that comes with the pack. And then I had an aftermarket shoulder strap to add for stability while carrying this pack. Let's take a look on the inside and see what we have. Starting at the top, we have lemonade powder for electrolytes. We have a straw, mechanical pencil here. We have a Ziploc bag with a fine cloth for washing and using on soft items, such as lenses. On top of it, we have a Eaton tool, multi-use tool, a Leatherman wave with the corresponding adapter. We have a magnesium bar and ferrite bar here. We have a Fresnel lens inside a Ziploc bag. We have an empty bag container as well. Over here we have some cordage, 550 and 325. On the side down here we have the Warrior Assault System wrist pouch that houses the maps, the backup button compass, and the writing utensils. Next to it we have the signal mirror wrapped up in soft foam to protect it. Over here we have the USB power cable for Apple and micro USB. We have the ToughSpark solar panel at the bottom here. And then we have the SO239 to B&C adapter for my radio. We have a headlight, a revolt, it recharges AAA batteries inside of it. Up here we have a whistle. Next to it we have a TI3 version 2 AAA light. Next to it we have a general purpose BIC lighter with wrapped up wick cording around it. We have lip balm. In between the lip balm and the super glue here we have some zip ties. Moving over we have a small vial with fish hooks. Next to it we have some safety pins, Uncle Ben's tweezer, and inside this silver case is a sewing kit and fishing kit. Moving up we have a custom made fire starting kit with Vaseline silk cotton, a backup lighter, stormproof matches, the striking pad, and some birthday candles inside, along with some electrical tape wrapped around the side here. Moving up here we have a Ziploc bag with TP inside of it. Next to it we have some hand sanitizer, dry sack. Over here we have a Mylar space blanket inside a Ziploc bag. And with it we have a rain poncho in a Ziploc bag. Moving down we have a full tang knife, Elk Ridge. Further down we have some gloves, a Sunto compass for orientating. Down below here we have a multitude of items in the yellow 2-liter electronics bag. We have the Olight magnetic USB charger. We have the Klaus C1 charger, which acts as a battery bank when used with a 18650 battery right here. We have the corresponding micro USB to USB cables. And we have a USB up converter cable for charging our radios, such as the VX7R that I carry on myself and the Yaesu FT1DR, and the corresponding AA battery tray for the VX7R, the FBA-23 here. Next to it we have a handkerchief, and next to the handkerchief we have a head net for bugs. Moving up we have a single-walled stainless steel container, 335 milliliters, that's always filled with clean water for multiple uses. Up above that we have a small boo-boo kit inside a waterproof pouch. Next to it we have the water filtration kit and the hygiene kit. This is a Sawyer 128 SP128 model filter. Next to it we have some travel toothpaste and a travel toothbrush for multiple uses. And then underneath it we have the dirty water bag for pushing water through the filter here. Inside a Ziploc bag to contain it all. And finally, on the left, last but not least, we have a 500 milliliter platypus water bottle for clean water. That's all the items that I carry in the Maxpedition Versipack. The pack is meant to be a base kit and will be supplemented with external kits such as a full IFAC system or medical system and a full water bladder system for longer durations. This kit's only made to sustain me in a normal conditions for about 2 to 3 hours, maybe 4 hours at most, on a normal summertime season, fall season, or spring season. Wintertime, we'll need a different kit to carry different layers of clothing. Thank you for watching.